Hey guys, Race Harold back again one more time today. It's October the 6th. We've had a bang-up successful day so far. Right now what I'd like to do is I'd like to introduce you to one of our longest tenured guys at Tiffin Motorhomes, Jerry Williamson. He's very good and he knows more stuff. He was a national sales manager and now he's our rep. And what I'd like to do is let him take you through this Allegro bus with a 605 engine. And still remind you, our open house is Friday and Saturday too. So come see us, but in the meantime, take it away, Jerry.
Sounds great, Race. Thanks for the intro. Well, let's go in and take a look. So we're going to talk about my favorite coach, the Tiffin Allegro Bus 45 OPP. This is my favorite for a good reason. It sells well. And it has all kinds of room. Beautiful colors. The linen or white interior woodwork in this, man, this thing just looks gigantic when you walk in. In fact, it is. It's nearly 14 foot wide with the slides out. So you got a tremendous amount of living area when you walk in. So the first impression is great. This unit is equipped with the theater seating. The theater seating, you can't ask for more. It also has the lift TV across from it, so you're after a day of hiking, whatever, you've got a fantastic relaxation living room in this one. Excuse me. Tiffin is known for storage. We have tremendous storage throughout. Everywhere you look in our coach, we have overhead storage. They're deep. They're usable. Some coaches, you have a difficult time putting a 12-inch dinner plate in, not in a Tiffin. We use every bit of our coach for storage. Self-closing hinges, our drawers, they all slide out 100% of the way. So you're not chasing a remote that's in the back. All of your drawers are self-closing. Nice little feature here, giving you additional storage space for all the chefs that love to use their motorhome for cooking. Not only is it an induction cooktop, but it's a well-known Wolf brand. Wolf is one of the highest ranked induction cooktops in the industry. The sinks, they're made for using the galley area or the kitchen area. Instant hot water with a push of a button. You've got the instant water there. Neat little feature that's kind of hidden. In this motorhome, we have hidden storage, drawer storage throughout. One thing that's really cool, when you're using your coach, you slide your sink covers right here so they're out of the way. Drawers again. We have drawers throughout this entire coach. The dishwasher. The Pike and Fischl dishwasher. Beautiful feature. Underneath, instead of not using that, of course we put another drawer in there. Absolutely. And check this out. We were the first one in the industry to start using this big galley window. It's a game changer. It's really cool. By the way, Tiffin we build all of our own windows. Why? So we can build them with the quality that you deserve in this coach. We don't have to order certain specific windows to fit our coach. We build them for the coach. So we can put the largest windows, the tinted windows, the well-operating windows in your Allegro bus. On this side of the coach, we can slide out the table for an additional space. We have 2 folding chairs, so we can easily sit 4 around here for dinner, cards, whatever. This is called the computer workstation. We have an area here for our keyboard. Underneath, we have place for our printer, place for any of our computer accessories, anything that we want to put in there. But storage is the name of the game. We continue throughout with storage. I know I say it a lot, but for good reason. Because we believe in it, we provide it. Place for your files here. Everybody needs something like that. Check this out. This is a neat feature right here. The cooler, the wine cooler, the drink cooler. You can use it for many things. We've been asked for a while for something like this. I love this feature. It's perfect. Up above it, we have very usable storage with the slide out drawers. Again, with self-closers. Self-closing main door. The refrigerator. You can put your goods in there. The French top drawer with the lockable upper and lower door. We use a pretty neat little feature there, so when you're traveling, you don't have to worry about the doors popping open and losing things. Ice and water in the door. Another storage in addition to the one above the drink cooler. These are adjustable shelves, so if we're going on a longer trip, we may want to leave some of those doors out. The half bath. This is a great deal in this coach. Look at the backsplashes, man. Look at our tile design. I can't help but get excited when I look at this coach. And again, look at all the storage. 2 up here, 1 there, 2 there, 3 more down here. A really neat, cool thing on the Tiffin, all the Tiffin products, is our Spider electronic control. Holding tanks, you can view your holding tanks, your batteries, see what shape they're in. We can operate our heated floors through here, our air conditioners through here. Everything on this coach can be operated through here. The slide outs can be operated from this panel. It tells you exactly what you should do, like turn your key on before you try to operate it, set your park brake, and then you just simply push the buttons on here. I guess one of the best things about this is our Diagnostic Center. We can look at this, or actually have you, the owner, look at this. If you have a little situation where something's not operating correctly, we can have you with a few pushes. You can call Tiffin Motorhomes with a push of a few buttons. We can determine what's going on with the coach, and we can diagnose it and usually get you going again. Moving into the bedroom, this is one of the coolest parts of the coach. The king bed is a standard. Again, storage. Look at your overhead. 2, 4, 6, 8 above the bed. You have storage beside each bed, everywhere. We just utilize every bit of it. USB hookups on each side there. So another panel control, so we can control the lighting, his and hers panels, so we can control the lighting. We can do it all right in there. We can control the air conditioning. It gets a little cool at night. We want to change the thermostat, we can do so. Continuing with the storage, all the storage. The fireplace, the lift TV. This TV will retract, and then you've got your window behind it. You've got day-night shades, so you can completely black out the shades at night to give you total privacy there. More storage in this side. Then our big bath, our master bath in the back. This is the shower is gorgeous. I mean, look at your tile. Look at your detail in the tile. Solid surface, a combination of solid surface and tile. The control, we can for any height, we can adjust this shower here. We've got a pretty neat feature in all of our Tiffin Motorhomes where we don't waste our hot water. We can actually turn the water on and it recycles until the water gets hot, so we're not wasting any of the water. It's especially important if we're dry camping and we're not hooked up to city water. The handle's in here for safety. Place for your shampoo bottles, your soap, so it'll drain. We want to shave the legs, the ladies shave their legs, or have a sitting area while we do so. Very, very roomy shower. So on the other side of the master bath, what do you think I'm going to talk about? Storage again and again and again and again. The dual sinks back here. Underneath, I'd like to point out something that I think is very important. Inside here, we give you full usable storage. It's finished out inside just like it would be outside. You can literally use all of this. It's not taken up by wiring and plumbing here. So we know that storage is valuable, so we think of those things while engineering, designing, and building Tiffin Motorhomes. And while we move on back, this is really great. This is the rear of the coach. We have a very good popular shoe rack back here in the back. It's not only for shoes, I've seen it used for thousands of uses back here. Place back here for a load center, for the electrical drawers. 1, 2, 3, 4 drawers back here on this side. Washer dryer located in here. A safe back here for your valuables. And then a full side to side hanging rod for your clothing. Not only that, has the internal LED lighting inside. There's so many beautiful things on this coach that makes it the one and only of the Allegro Bus. There's not another like it. You got to see it to believe it.
Thanks for watching our video. If you have any questions or any suggestions on content you'd like to see, leave a comment below. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to like and subscribe. Thanks again from Vogt RV.